Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the source device, because a stable upstream connection is essential. Make sure mobile data is active and battery is above 20%, then open Settings and go to Hotspot and Tethering. Once there, enable the mobile hotspot toggle and assign a clear SSID so you recognize the network. For security, choose WPA2 or WPA3 and create a strong password. This prevents casual freeloading. Now that the hotspot is live, move on to configuration for performance. Once the hotspot is on, tune settings to match your needs. You should pick 4 GHz for broader range versus 5 GHz for higher throughput. Switch bands in advanced settings to test real-world performance. Limit the number of allowed devices and set a data warning or cap so you don't blow the monthly allowance. If nearby networks clash, change the channel or enable MAC filtering to control who connects. Make sure tethering is permitted by your carrier in case of blocking policies. Now, on the client device you want online, open Wi-Fi, pick the hotspot SSID and type the password. Wait for an IP lease and then load a web page to confirm connectivity. While active, monitor data usage and set an automatic timeout so the hotspot turns off when idle. This conserves battery. When finished, disable the hotspot. If things go wrong, restart the hotspot device first, verify mobile data and APN settings, and confirm your carrier allows tethering. These quick checks fix most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.